What if the most legendary fighter jet just got even better? Meet the F-15EX Eagle II, a modern marvel built to dominate the skies with unmatched power, speed, and advanced technology. With upgrades that push the boundaries of air superiority, this isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in fighter jet design. Could this be the future of aerial combat? Let's uncover the secrets behind the world's most advanced fighter. Built for superiority. The F-15EX Eagle II is designed to dominate the skies with unmatched power and precision. As the latest evolution of the legendary F-15 series, it combines proven reliability with groundbreaking advancements, making it one of the most formidable fighter jets in the world. From its robust airframe to its cutting-edge technology, every detail of the F-15EX is crafted for excellence in modern aerial combat. One of the key features that sets the F-15EX apart is its ability to carry more weapons than any other fighter in its class. With a massive payload capacity of up to 2,900 pounds, it can transport an array of missiles, bombs, and advanced weaponry. This capability gives it unparalleled versatility, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of missions, from air superiority to ground strikes. The jet's airframe is another highlight. Based on the battle-tested design of the original F-15, the Eagle II features structural reinforcements and modernized components that enhance its durability and performance. Its twin-engine configuration ensures incredible thrust and reliability, enabling it to maintain speed and agility even in the most demanding conditions. In addition to its physical capabilities, the F-15EX is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and systems that make it a force to be reckoned with. Its advanced radar can track multiple targets simultaneously, while its electronic warfare systems provide superior defense against enemy threats. These enhancements ensure the jet not only outpaces its adversaries, but also outsmarts them. Another standout feature is its open mission systems architecture, which allows for easy integration of future technologies. This ensures the F-15EX remains a cutting-edge platform for decades to come, adapting to emerging threats and advancements in warfare. This forward-thinking design makes it a strategic investment for modern air forces. The F-15EX also emphasizes pilot survivability and mission success. Its enhanced cockpit features improved displays and controls, offering pilots greater situational awareness and ease of operation. By prioritizing both performance and usability, the jet ensures that pilots can fully harness its capabilities during critical missions. This aircraft's combination of superior payload capacity, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched reliability cements its status as a top-tier fighter jet. Whether in dogfights, precision strikes, or complex missions, the F-15EX stands as a testament to the evolution of air power, proving why it's built for superiority in every sense. Modern upgrades. The F-15EX Eagle II brings a host of modern upgrades that transform it into one of the most advanced fighter jets in the skies today. While it builds on the proven design of the classic F-15, the Eagle II incorporates cutting-edge technology to meet the challenges of 21st century warfare. These upgrades ensure it remains relevant and lethal in an era of rapidly evolving threats. One of the most significant advancements is its state-of-the-art radar system. The F-15EX is equipped with the AN/APG-82V.1 Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, which offers superior detection, tracking, and targeting capabilities. This powerful radar allows the jet to locate multiple targets at long ranges, ensuring a tactical advantage in any combat scenario. The aircraft also features advanced avionics, making it smarter and more efficient than its predecessors. Its electronic warfare systems provide enhanced protection against enemy threats, such as radar-guided missiles and electronic jamming. These systems ensure the F-15EX can operate safely and effectively in contested environments. Another key upgrade is its digital cockpit, which provides pilots with greater situational awareness and easier access to critical information. The modern displays and intuitive controls reduce pilot workload, enabling them to focus on the mission. This enhancement not only improves performance, but also increases mission success rates. The F-15EX's open mission systems architecture is a standout feature. This innovative design allows for seamless integration of future technologies, such as new weapons, sensors, and communication systems. As warfare evolves, the Eagle II can adapt to meet emerging challenges, ensuring it remains a valuable asset for decades. Additionally, the jet boasts upgraded engines, providing more power and efficiency than ever before. Its twin Pratt & Whitney F-110 engines deliver exceptional thrust, enabling the F-15EX to reach the speeds of over Mach 2. These engines not only enhance speed and agility, but also increase operational range, giving the aircraft greater reach for both offensive and defensive missions. Improved survivability is another focus of the F-15EX's upgrades. Its advanced self-defense systems and stealthy features reduce its vulnerability to enemy threats, while reinforced airframe components ensure durability during high-stress operations. These upgrades make the Eagle II a reliable and resilient fighter in any situation. The F-15EX is also designed to carry advanced weaponry, including hypersonic missiles and next-generation bombs. With its increased payload capacity and cutting-edge integration systems, it can deploy a wider variety of munitions than any other fighter in its class, making it a versatile and powerful platform. By combining these modern upgrades, the F-15EX Eagle II sets a new standard for fighter jets. It's a perfect blend of proven performance and future-ready technology, ensuring it remains a dominant force in the skies for years to come. Whether in air superiority missions or precision strikes, the Eagle II is equipped to handle it all. Unmatched firepower. The F-15EX Eagle II stands out as one of the most heavily armed fighter jets in the world, thanks to its unparalleled firepower. Designed with a massive payload capacity, it can carry more weapons than any other fighter in its class, making it a versatile and formidable asset in modern combat. This firepower ensures the Eagle II can adapt to a wide range of missions, from air-to-air combat to precision ground strikes. With the ability to carry up to 29,500 pounds of munitions, the F-15EX can be equipped with an extensive arsenal. This includes air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder, as well as air-to-ground weapons such as the Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDDM, and small diameter bombs, SDB. This wide array of weapons allows the jet to handle multiple threats simultaneously, providing unmatched versatility in combat. One of the most exciting capabilities of the F-15EX is its potential to carry hypersonic weapons. These next-generation munitions, capable of traveling at speeds greater than Mach 5, are nearly impossible to intercept and provide a significant strategic advantage. The Eagle II's large payload capacity and advanced integration systems make it an ideal platform for deploying these cutting-edge weapons. The jet's ability to carry multiple air-to-air missiles gives it a significant advantage in dogfights and air superiority missions. With its advanced radar and targeting systems, the F-15EX can engage multiple enemy aircraft simultaneously, ensuring dominance in the skies. Its long-range missiles also allow it to neutralize threats before they come close, providing both offensive and defensive superiority. In addition to its missile capabilities, the F-15EX is equipped with a powerful internal cannon for close-range engagements. The M61 Vulcan, a 20mm Gatling gun, delivers rapid-fire precision, ensuring the Eagle II is effective even in situations where missiles may not be practical. This combination of long-range and close-range weaponry makes it a versatile fighter in any scenario. The F-15EX also boasts the ability to carry advanced electronic warfare pods, enabling it to disrupt enemy communications and defenses. These systems enhance its offensive and defensive capabilities, ensuring the jet can operate effectively even in heavily contested environments. By integrating these technologies, the Eagle II transforms into more than just a weapons platform. It becomes a strategic force multiplier. Its open mission systems architecture ensures the F-15EX can integrate future weaponry as technology evolves. Whether it's laser-based systems, next-generation missiles, or advanced bombs, the Eagle II is prepared to adapt to the changing demands of modern warfare. This forward-thinking design ensures the jet remains relevant and effective for years to come. The F-15EX's unmatched firepower isn't just about the quantity of weapons it can carry. It's about the precision and versatility it brings to the battlefield. Whether engaging enemy aircraft, striking ground targets, or supporting allied forces, the Eagle II delivers the firepower needed to succeed in any mission. It's a true testament to the evolution of air power and a clear indication of why the F-15EX is a game-changer in modern combat. Speed and agility. The F-15EX Eagle II is built to dominate the skies with unmatched speed and agility. As an evolution of the iconic F-15 platform, it combines raw power with advanced aerodynamics to deliver exceptional performance. This balance of speed and maneuverability makes the Eagle II a formidable fighter capable of handling even the most challenging missions. Powered by twin Pratt & Whitney F110 engines, the F-15EX can reach speeds of over Mach 2 or twice the speed of sound. These engines deliver incredible thrust, ensuring the aircraft can accelerate rapidly and maintain high speeds during combat. Whether chasing down enemy aircraft or evading threats, the Eagle II's speed gives it a decisive edge in aerial engagements. The jet's agility is equally impressive. Its advanced flight controls and aerodynamic design allow it to execute sharp turns and complex maneuvers with precision. This makes the F-15EX highly effective in dogfights, where split-second reactions and superior maneuverability can determine the outcome. Pilots benefit from the aircraft's responsiveness, giving them the confidence to push the limits during high-stakes missions. The structural design of the F-15EX also plays a key role in its performance. Its reinforced airframe not only ensures durability, but also enhances stability at high speeds. The wide wingspan and streamlined body reduce drag, allowing the aircraft to maintain speed and control even in extreme conditions. This combination of strength and finesse is what sets the Eagle II apart from other fighter jets. Another advantage of the F-15EX is its ability to operate at high altitudes. Its engines and design allow it to reach heights where it can gain a tactical advantage over adversaries. At these altitudes, the jet can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, or engage in combat with a clearer view of the battlefield and greater flexibility in its operations. The F-15EX also excels in sustained performance. Its powerful engines and efficient design enable it to maintain high speeds over long distances without compromising fuel efficiency. This makes it ideal for missions requiring extended reach, whether for air patrols, escort duties, or long-range strikes. Pilots can rely on its endurance to complete demanding operations without the need for frequent refueling. Despite its size, the F-15EX maintains exceptional takeoff and landing capabilities. Its twin engines provide the thrust needed for short takeoffs, while its robust landing gear ensures safe and controlled landings, even on less than ideal runways. This adaptability allows it to operate effectively from a variety of locations, enhancing its mission flexibility. Speed and agility are more than just technical specifications for the F-15EX. They are essential elements of its dominance in the skies. Whether it's outpacing enemy aircraft, evading incoming threats, or executing complex maneuvers, the Eagle II delivers performance that pilots can trust. It's this combination of power and precision that makes the F-15EX a true master of the skies and a critical asset in modern air combat. The F-15EX Eagle II is a testament to the evolution of air power, combining speed, firepower, agility, and advanced technology to dominate the skies. As the latest upgrade to a legendary platform, it proves that innovation can make even the best better. With its unmatched versatility and future-ready design, the Eagle II stands as a critical asset in modern defense. Whether securing air superiority or adapting to tomorrow's challenges, this jet is built to lead. What are your thoughts on the F-15EX? Share below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the future of aviation.